Hi everyone, my name is Riyank. I'm a part of Try World School and I'm a part of the 10th grade batch 2025-26. This year I actually topped my grade and I'm really happy because there's been constant support from my parents, from my friends and my teachers and my principal, all the teachers. Everyone has been really kind, really helpful. The person I am now is because of them. They've shaped my journey into something I'll always remember even when I grow up, something I'll tell my kids probably in the future. So there's been constant support. Every class is interactive. You don't feel bored in any class. Each class brings new opportunities, new challenges, new memories to add on to. Life is about memories and enjoying every moment. So it's been a great journey and I want to thank everyone, including my bus driver, the aunties who have always helped no matter what. From the smallest staff to the people like the coordinators to the principal, everyone has been a part of this journey and this is dedicated to them. And I'm really happy to see that everyone is happy, everyone's done great. Kudos to my friends as well. Wouldn't have been possible without their support as well. Just one thing, keep working hard and believe in yourself and believe in God. Everything happens at the right time. You just need to give it 100% and believe in the process. Thank you so much. Have a great day.